This short guide explains how to buy shares of Assicurazioni Generali SpA, ticker G.MI, traded on CBOE EU. Generali is a major European insurance group, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. We use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and type the ticker G.MI to find Assicurazioni Generali SpA. Select the matching result to open the asset page for the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for G.MI. Check the name, exchange, and ticker to confirm it is the right listing. To place an order, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it reopens, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio or holdings list. For convenience, find the eToro link in the video description below.